All right, let's record your first trade. You've got 4 pages to choose from, and since they all share the same database and layout, there is no major difference at this stage. Minor variations? We'll cover those later. For now, let's head over to the Futures page. In the top right, you'll see a dashboard with tabs designed for quick navigation to the Analytics page. Step 1 is to log the current month in the monthly database. You've got 2 options here. Either hit the Quick Action button on the left and enter it manually, or follow the instructions to set up an automation that handles this at the start of each month. Let's keep it simple and do it manually. Once you press the button, the system automatically adds the current month. Easy, right? Next, let's log today's date. Switch over to the Daily tab. Now, if the idea of entering this every single day sounds tedious, don't worry. You can automate it. Just click the New Template button next to the New button on the right and set up your daily template. The same applies to the Weekly tab if you want to streamline that process too.